you? I hope you're fine. As for me now, I'm not alright. I called to say I miss you, but you're on my mind. I can't let go. How can I tell you I miss you? I will write a song for you, my girl. I wish ningabwele kwe ulili nakungala na iwe kwe ulili. I know I did you wrong, and I know it hurts, 'cause I broke your heart, I put you in pain. But I'm sorry, girl, I'm on my knees. I wanna make you my one and only. How can I tell you I miss you? I will write a song for you, my girl. I miss your touch, I miss your smile, the crazy things we used to do. How can I tell you I miss you? I will write a song for you, my girl. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you. It's Jason Sack on the deck.